All right, Mary, let's tag some monarchs.
Yes.
So first, what type of equipment do we need?
Okay, so if you're interested in tagging monarchs, the first thing you need to do is order the tags.
Okay.
And so you'll go to monarchwatch.org. Order your tags, you'll get some tags, and these are what we're actually going to put on the butterflies here in just a minute.
Okay, those are real small tags.
They are really small, and what's great about them is they're not going to affect the butterflies' flight pattern or anything like that. So they've done studies, really lightweight, special weather-proof glue, stuff like that.
Okay.
Really important too, you want to get a toothpick because this is how we're going to apply the tag to the butterfly wing. You're going to need your data form, which you've got there,
which I have.
And a pencil.
Which I have.
And then to catch the butterflies, you want to get a butterfly net. And when you're looking at a butterfly net, you want something with a deep pocket. So when you're going over the butterfly, you're not going to damage your plant, and you're not going to damage the butterfly.
Makes sense. Okay.
Okay?
And what's on the tags, by the way?
Oh, great question.
Because I see some writing.
So it's pretty small, but on the tags there's going to be an email address, the name of the program, which is Monarch Watch, a phone number, and a unique code. It's 3 letters and 3 numbers. Okay. So each individual butterfly that's tagged can be tracked from where it was tagged to where it was recovered. Okay. So a unique combination for each butterfly that we're going to tag.
It's pretty neat.
Okay, so should we get to tagging?
Hey, let's get to tagging.
All right. So I brought along some monarch butterflies with me, and tagging only happens on the southern migration in this area, like we talked about, mid-September into the beginning of October. Okay. So if you see monarchs other times of the year, they're great to watch, but we're not going to be tagging them. Okay?
Good to watch.
Okay, so let me reach in here and grab one out.
And you've been doing this for a while, right?
I have.
I see you just go right in and just get them.
So not much hesitation. So what we're looking for is we're going to tag in one specific area. We're going to tag on this mitten-shaped cell, okay? So I'm going to read you a number. This is going to be our tag number. It's WCM877.
Got it.
Okay, so then the first thing we're going to do is get this tag off and get it on the butterfly in case I accidentally let it go. And then I'm going to give you a little bit more information about it. Okay, so we've got the tag on there. And then this is a male. So you can see the two black patches there. That only the males have. Okay, so we've got a male. And these are ones that we actually raised at Lichterman. So you can put an R for reared. If you're collecting them in the wild, you just put a W. And then our tagging location is going to be Cordova, right outside the studios.
All right, got it.
And that's it. So we put our hand out, give this guy just a second, and there he goes.
There he goes. So there they go. How about that?
Yeah, good luck. Hope they make it to Mexico.
I hope they make it too. So what happens when somebody finds them again? Can you go through that process again?
So most of the time people find them, they have no idea what that little tag is. So luckily the tags have contact information, email, phone number, so people, if they do find them, can call or email with that unique code, and then hopefully we'll know that some of our butterflies either made it maybe to the Texas coast, but we're hoping we don't hear from them for a couple months and they make it all the way down to Mexico. Okay,
and how long again do you think that process takes for them to migrate down that way?
Well, they're going to fly maybe 30 to 50 miles a day, so it could take a month and a half, 2 months to get down there, and then they'll spend their winter kind of all huddled together on this one type of fir tree down in the mountains of central Mexico, and then hopefully they survive the winter down there too, and then make the trip back to the Texas coast starting like in March.
I hope they make it.
I hope so too. I hope we get some recoveries. That'd be great.
That would be great. Thanks again, Mary. Definitely appreciate that demonstration.
Thank you for having me.
All right.